Hey guys, in today's video I wanted to share you exercises that will help you to do the splits. Whilst trying to do the splits, it's important to remember that consistency is key. And when you remain consistent, you'll start to see the results, and you don't even need to spend hours stretching, even if you spend like 10 to 15 minutes each day. Doing the splits is amazing for not only increasing your body's flexibility, it also helps to calm and de-stress your mind, releasing anxiety and stress. You don't even need to be able to do a full split to experience all of these incredible benefits. As long as you keep doing the stretches, you will still be able to experience all the incredible benefits, from opening up the hip flexors to helping to increase the range of motion within your legs and preventing any pain in your legs as well. So the first stretch that really helps to open up your hamstrings and your calves is downward facing dog, but you can also take it even more to create like a three-legged downward facing dog, which really stretches out your legs even more. Whilst on your split journey, it's so vital to be patient. Give yourself patience and grace and show yourself love. Appreciate exactly where you are in your journey. Don't rush, because there really is no rush. You will be able to do it in your very own divine timing. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small it may seem to you. Progress is progress, so celebrate it like it's massive. And show your legs love and gratitude, because they literally carry you through life. And remember to persevere, because perseverance pays off. Don't give up. You got this. You can do this. Because I remember when I couldn't do the splits, I was kind of like, oh, how long, how long? But don't ever focus on how long. Just enjoy the journey, because it truly is the best part. Practicing lunges is really incredible, and it will help to accelerate your progress. Really allows you to go deep into your psoas muscle, which is one of the main stress response muscles in the body, also known as a fight or flight. So we're just going to hold this lunge, and then we're going to exhale into a pyramid pose, which is amazing at really stretching out those hamstrings and the calves. And then as we come back down into lunge, we inhale and really flow with your breath. Exhale deep, and each time just see if you can go even deeper. Really see how deep you can go into those hamstrings. Exhale into the pyramid pose, and this pose is absolutely incredible if you suffer from sinus problems. Basically breaks up mucus and blockages within the sinuses, and it really allows more oxygen to go through your sinuses, therefore increasing the oxygen flow to your entire body. And it's also amazing at really de-stressing you and calming the mind and the body. And keep flowing with your breath, and each time you exhale into the pyramid pose, try and challenge yourself to get that little bit deeper. See if you can push your head all the way down, really opening up those hamstrings. It feels so good, you guys. And inhale as you come back into lunge. And always remember to do both sides, and before you know it, you guys, this will literally lead you to achieving the splits if that's your goal. Lunges are also incredible at strengthening your buttocks and your thigh muscles. I really hope this video helps you, and I really hope that you enjoy your split journey. Remember to flow with the breath and let the breath and the body guide you. Enjoy your journey and take time to appreciate exactly where you are, because this is your journey and it's unique to you, and you're constantly growing, developing, expanding, and it's truly magical, you guys. Inhaling deeply and consciously as you come up to lunge, and then exhale as you push all the way back. And this feels amazing, you guys, for your mind, body, and soul. And deep, conscious, mindful inhale, and then exhale. And as you exhale into into this pyramid pose, just hold it for as long as you can. Just surrender, let your body drop down and just really utilize the breath. And another really great stretch that will enable you to get to the splits is a seated forward fold, and always ensure that you're folding from your hips and not your lower spine to prevent any injury. So when you first do this, you can bend your knees until you can get even deeper into those hamstrings, and exhale all the way into it, you guys. And by doing this, you're opening up your legs and like really increasing your flexibility, also improving your posture and also helping to de-stress you as well. And this will ultimately help you to achieve the splits. It's also really good for your digestive system as well, helping your body to get rid of toxins quicker. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys so much, and I really hope this video helps you and heals you in every single way. From my heart to yours, wishing you nothing but peace, love, and light.